Aloha everyone, I'm Oribel, the New Lemurian, helping you to discover and align with the Creator inside and experience more peace, love, and oneness in your life. Today, I share with you my communication with the collective consciousness of higher dimensional beings known as the Andromedan Council of Light. They are of 12th dimensional frequency. After connecting with the Council of Light, I introduced myself and my purpose for communicating with them, and I asked if they would accept my invitation, and they said yes. And here I share with you our exchange of transmissions. Sit back, relax, and take in what resonates with you, and leave the rest. My question to them: what are 3 practical tools or things that humanity can do now to help us in this great shift to the 5th dimension? Their response:
use your imagination as a tool to create the new earth that you are seeking. Your imagination plays a very important role in creation.
In my mind, I was thinking, how about thought? Now that thought wasn't meant for them, but it was transmitted and they received it and they responded.
Yes, first comes the thought. But it is imagination that helps solidify into physical matter and appear in your reality on earth. The matrix, the field, is what you're projecting your imagination into. This is a practical tool. Feelings is the next practical tool. If you can feel the emotions of what you're creating or imagining, you'll speed up the creation process. Be joyful. Every day be joyful. It is the frequency of joy that allows you to shine your light, and assists you in your personal evolution and also helps humanity to evolve collectively. And it is joy that also speeds up the creation process. These are the 3 practical tools that we wish to share with you. Those who are consciously shifting to the 5th dimension are making good progress in releasing old habits and behaviors of 3rd dimensional consciousness that the 5th dimension do not support. Learn new tools to live by, as you'll need them on your journey to higher dimensions. We are happy to be of service in this way, by giving advice, and sharing with you what works in your seeking for higher knowledge.
Is there anything else you wish to convey to humanity before we disconnect? And they responded with this:
we ask you to meditate on a daily basis to bring in these new knowledge and ideas that are available to you. And all it takes is your intent to receive them. Higher dimensional beings are ever present to assist you in this monumental shift. We are glad to be of service. We bid you farewell for now. Adonai.
End of transmission. I hope you find their message useful for your journey, and if so, you can put them into action. This exchange of transmissions is also known as communication, communion, telepathy, channeling. Many words to describe the same thing. This is my feeling. I know that one day many will be communicating with higher dimensional beings like the Andromedans and other alien races from the 5th, 6th, 7th, and higher dimensions. And my hope is that it happens sooner rather than later, as humanity begin to trust their innate telepathy skills, which is our true nature. For this reason, I create my new workshop called Alien Contact. If this resonates with you, I invite you to explore this further. I provide the link to Alien Contact in the description box below. My plan is to share more transmissions with other alien races on this channel They have much to share with us that will help us on our journey of ascension. I wish for everyone all the blessings of life. I am the new Lemurian, Oribel Joy Divine.